First of all, I would like to welcome you on my channel Home Interiors. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all will be fit and fine. If you are looking for the gorgeous false ceiling designs to consider for your home decor, then you are at the right place. In this video, I am showing you the modern, stylish, latest collection and gorgeous gypsum false ceiling designs to consider for your home decoration. So, stay with us. The first thing most people notice when entering a room is the ceiling, because this area can either add beauty to the room or make it dreadful. Gone are the days of plain concrete or wooden ceilings, since we live in an age when people are seeking to practically transform their homes into public displays of art, as it competing to see whose home has the best interior design. One way to achieve this is to change the entire look of your room ceiling using gypsum board. Gypsum false ceiling has always been a popular product in the building industry, but today this material that is always readily available, inexpensive, noise and moisture insulated, can be easily manipulated to create the most incredible wall and ceiling designs. Some other advantages of using this gypsum board or plasterboard material is that it can be quite easy to install. It's fire resistant, durable and versatile. If you desire to install a gypsum false ceiling board in your home and in your room, then all that is needed is the right measurement of the area, the appropriate tools, the gypsum custom board, and maybe a tutorial video. On the other hand, if you are going to install ceiling design like any of the ones in this video, then you will need a professional on the job. To help you decide on a design, here are the lots of the most gorgeous and modern gypsum false ceiling designs that can be constructed into your home decor. In this video, I am showing you the amazing false ceiling designs, and I hope that you will like all these ones. We decorate the interior of our house with a lot of love. Then why should the ceiling of your home be filled out with the help of prefabricated fixtures and plasters? It is now possible to create any design that you like on your ceiling as well. They not only look beautiful but are also lightweight so as to not harm your roof. In this video, you will find the amazing and beautiful false ceiling designs that can be installed into your home interior, into your living area, into your bedroom, into your dining area, etc. The best part about creating a false ceiling is that you can play up with different colors and light fixtures. It allows you to have a mood lighting effect without much hassle. If you want a false ceiling which looks unique, then you can try incorporating hanging wood frames. These frames can either have lights or even mirrors. In case you do not want an imposing false ceiling, then the best way is to decorate them is with thin strips of light. Such ceilings look delicate and do not take away from the decor of the rest of the room. Simple false ceiling with pockets can also be decorated with magnificent chandeliers to create a decor statement. These light fixtures act as the focal pieces in the entire room. Another way to create a unique looking false ceiling is by painting it with a dark color. The roof of the room has been colored coordinated with elements like the curtains and the focal wall. If you want a rustic looking false ceiling, then you can try creating small wooden beams. To make it look even more beautiful, you can add lights to it as well. Another way to jazz up your false ceiling design is with the help of dual color tones. Opting for a light and dark colors stripes can be most straightforward way of achieving a similar look as in case the rest of your room is decorated with subtle colors, then you can paint your false ceiling with an accent shade as well. It will help pull the entire look together. You do not have to always opt for a square or rectangle false ceiling. Instead, you can also choose parallel stripes of false ceilings with light. You can also incorporate prints on your false ceiling to make it look elegant and regal. By putting a light fixture behind the design, you will be able to highlight it during the night. For more designs and for more ideas, you can subscribe our channel Home Interiors. On our channel, you will find the lots of home interior design videos like of living room, kitchen, bedroom, garden, bathroom, dining area, swimming pool, etc. So basically this was all about the amazing and gorgeous false ceiling designs latest collection. I hope you enjoy this video. I will recommend you that please watch this video till the end. We will meet in the next video. And please don't forget to provide your feedback in the comment box. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. You can also subscribe our channel Home Interiors for more videos like this. So be happy, stay blessed. Goodbye. Thank you so much.